Have you guys ever made homemade strawberry pie filling? It's super easy. We're going to make a small amount, be just enough to put like on top of a cheesecake, or if you bake a yellow cake or something like that, or a layer cake, just to pour it over the top of it. So we're going to start with strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. We're going to bring this up to a simmer and let it simmer for a little bit, and then we're going to put some cornstarch and water slurry in there to thicken it up. But this is the base, and we're getting it started. Okay, as you can see, we've got a lot of juice that has come out of the strawberries and sugar, and the strawberries are soft. So now we're going to thicken it up. I've got my water and my cornstarch. Mix it up right there. Pour it in. I'm going to bring the heat up just a little bit till we cook the cornstarch out a little bit. Can you see how much thicker that it's already getting? We're going to let it go probably about another minute or so until it gets nice and thick. Then we're going to take it off the heat, let it cool down, and then we'll be ready to use it. Our pie filling or pie topping has thickened up where I want it. I mean, you could cook it longer and get it thicker, but I want that consistency. So I'm going to pour it into a jar. And then I'm going to stick it in the refrigerator, and guys, this will be good for several days, if not a week. But you can see there's still a good amount of gel and consistency and stuff. So when you put it over top of something, like a cheesecake or a cake, then it is going to hang on to it. It's not just all going to run off. But as you can tell, we have about a half pint, and that is perfect for a small portion, which is what I wanted today. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you on that next video.